A family is a group of people who are related to each other. They can be parents, children, grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, and so on. Here are some basic family words in English: father, the male parent; mother, the female parent; son, a male child; daughter, a female child; brother, a male sibling; sister, a female sibling; grandfather, the father of one's father or mother; grandmother, the mother of one's father or mother; aunt, the sister of one's father or mother. We have introduced some of the family members. Now, we will learn a few words about animals: cat, dog, rabbit, hamster, fish, parrot, tortoise, snake, donkey, pig, chicken, sheep, horse, cow, bear. Possessive adjectives are adjectives that show ownership or possession. They are used before nouns to indicate that something belongs to someone or something. For example, my book means that the book belongs to me. Here are the 7 possessive adjectives in English: my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Possessive adjectives are used before nouns to indicate ownership or possession. For example, my book is on the table. Your car is parked outside. His house is very big. Her dog is very cute. Its tail is very long. Our children are very happy. Their toys are all over the floor. Pause the video and complete the sentences. Let's see how you did on the quiz. The male parent of a child is called the father. The female parent of a child is called the mother. A child of a mother and father is called a child. A female child of a mother and father is called a daughter. A male child of a mother and father is called a son. The father of a parent is called the grandfather. The mother of a parent is called the grandmother. The sister of a parent is called the aunt. Use the correct possessive adjectives to fill in the gaps. Let's see how you did on the quiz. I like my new car. You can borrow your book. He's lost his hat. She's holding her purse. The cat is licking its paws. We're going to our house for dinner. They're playing with their toys. This, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns. They are used to point to or identify specific things. This and these are used for things that are close to the speaker. That and those are used for things that are far from the speaker. This and that can be used with both singular and plural nouns. These and those are only used with plural nouns. This is my book. The book is close to the speaker. That is his car. The car is far from the speaker. These are my friends. The friends are close to the speaker. Those are his shoes. The shoes are far from the speaker. An apostrophe is a punctuation mark that is used to indicate possession, contractions, and omitted letters. To show possession, add an apostrophe and an s to the end of a singular noun. For example, John's car, the cat's tail, the woman's hat. If the singular noun ends in s or z, add an apostrophe after the s. For example, James's hat, the fox's den. If the noun is plural and does not end in s. Add an apostrophe in an s. For example, the children's toys, the women's shoes. A contraction is a shortened form of a word or phrase. Apostrophes are used to show where letters have been omitted from a contraction. For example, I'm equals I am. Can't equals cannot. Doesn't equals does not. Apostrophes can also be used to show where letters have been omitted from a word. For example, it's equals it is. That's equals that is. Whose equals who is. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. You can also comment below and let me know what you thought of the video. I love hearing from my viewers. Thanks again for watching.